Hey guys, these are the active washing machine cleaner tablets. Actually comes with an entire year supply. What's really nice about these tablets is they're actually eco-friendly and they have an iridescent foam that's actually septic safe, and the packaging is environmentally friendly as well. So go ahead and open a tablet and you're going to go ahead and put it directly into the machine. What's really nice about these tablets is they're compatible with almost every washer on the market. You're going to go ahead and start a cleaning cycle. What this is going to do, it's actually going to clean the inside of your washing machine and it'll eliminate all unwanted odors from residue.